Is Corvette reliable? The reliability of a Chevrolet Corvette, like any other car, can depend on various factors including the model year, maintenance history, driving conditions, and how well the car has been cared for. Overall, Corvettes are generally considered to be reliable sports cars, but it's essential to consider specific details. Model year. Newer models often benefit from advancements in technology and engineering, potentially leading to improved reliability. Checking reviews and ratings for the specific model year you're interested in can provide insights into any common issues. Maintenance history. Regular maintenance, timely service, and proper care play a significant role in the reliability of any vehicle. Ensure that the Corvette you're considering has been well maintained, and review its service records if available. Driving conditions. The way a car is driven and the conditions it is exposed to can affect its reliability. Aggressive driving, extreme temperatures, and poor road conditions can impact the longevity of various components. Common issues. Some Corvette models may have specific issues or recalls. Checking for any known problems associated with the particular model and addressing them can contribute to improved reliability. Owner reviews. Reading owner reviews and forums can provide valuable insights into the real-world experiences of Corvette owners. Pay attention to common praises and complaints to gauge the overall satisfaction of owners. Warranty coverage. If you're purchasing a new or certified pre-owned Corvette, the warranty coverage can offer additional peace of mind. Be sure to understand the terms and conditions of the warranty. Professional inspection. Before purchasing a used Corvette, consider having it inspected by a qualified mechanic. They can identify any potential issues or signs of wear that may not be immediately apparent. It's important to note that individual experiences with vehicle reliability can vary, and while some Corvette owners may have had trouble-free experiences, others may have encountered issues. As with any car purchase, thorough research, a test drive, and a comprehensive inspection are recommended to make an informed decision. Additionally, staying up to date on maintenance schedules and addressing any issues promptly can contribute to the overall reliability of a Chevrolet Corvette.